Everyone, I'm back with another layout. I did a few already this morning because I woke up at 11:30. Excuse me, sorry. And I was not feeling well. So I did some voiceovers until 1:30 or so, and then I did a few, and then I went back to bed, and I just got up. So I got a couple more hours of sleep. However, now I woke up with a headache. I was like, oh no. Alright. So my background is basswood cardstock, and I just used, this is about a sunset, so I used yellow and orange ink pads, and I'm going to use this leftover piece that I cut a huge circle out of. Oops, sorry, I hit my mic. It's going to make a noise. I don't remember. Oh, see here, I have to make a ball so she'll go. And just kind of piece it together where I cut into it. And then I'm going to use that as a base for my die cuts to make them go around the picture in a circular form. Alright, so now I'm going to put down my die cuts. They are all from the Hip Kit Club exclusive die cuts. Hello Summer. And this is the restaurant where my husband worked. But he wasn't even making 40 hours. He was making 35 hours. And they hired so many new people that they split tips. And he went from making 300 a week tips to barely making 100. So, and you live off tips. So your minimum, so your hourly rate is like $5.45 an hour plus tips. And he kept telling him, I need to be a food runner or waiter because doing various things at $5.45 an hour just was not making a car payment. So now he got a job at a warehouse where they do decorating, but because we live so far, we live 2 hours from there, he stays with his cousin who lives closer, a lot closer, and now we see him once a week, so it bites. But making a ton more money. He's making a lot more. I think he makes more than I do, so we can start saving up for a house and get some of our debts paid off. Oh yeah, this would be like I'm putting magnets on there, number one, to keep them still, but you never know when Ginger might come back to visit. No, I would be so mad at her if she messed that up. And then this gives me that way to, oh, there's pen, no, and then there's enter. Um, so, and this gives me a way to use up all those flowers and leaves and whatnot that I normally probably wouldn't use. And because it's on the lake, I'm also going to use up all the pineapples and that sort of stuff too. I hope my headache goes away because, oh my gosh, it's been a while since I cleaned my poor fish tanks and their levels and their take are through the roof. So I've got to take the time to clean their tanks. I gotta go to the pet store and get that stuff that keeps nitrates down, keeps everything down, and I clean it once a month. Otherwise, right now I gotta clean it every once a week at least. All right. So now it's just the job of gluing all that down. Hey Ginger, what you doing, baby girl? You want your bed? You want me to go get your bed? No, you're not chewing on my mic. Mm. Oops. Oh, for Pete's sake. Ah, I gotta fix that blind. I broke it. Darn it. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm just still gluing, and then eventually I'm gonna shut off the camera and I'm gonna uh, keep you from having to watch me glue all this down because I realized that it was going to take me forever. No, Ginger. No. But I can go get your bed. I'm gonna go get your little bed. No. Hmm. I know you want it. I can see it in your eyes. Hmm. Alright, so now on to more of embellishing. Come in there and lay down. Go nighty nights. Come here. Go nighty nights. Hmm. So you're like a little baby that mommy really wants to go to sleep but refuses. Super tired but still won't go to sleep. Yeah, that's you. Oh. Alright, so now I'm going to put more of more die cuts that are not flowers. Alright, I'm going to shut the window then, girlie. Oops. It just finished falling, Jen. I'll get it. I need to fix it. Because when I turned it the wrong way and broke the top. Just need to tape it. What I used didn't work. Alright. What, baby? You want me to go get your bed, don't you? Hmm? Alright, as soon as I'm done with this layout, I will, okay? I'm gonna give Mommy just a minute. Alright. Bye, baby. I try to get you to lay right here. She's looking for her bed. And she's gonna start rubbing on me. Yep. Hey, baby. I'm gonna do some phrase stickers and put those around. Alright. So here's where I work on my title. I'm gonna title it Eaton Beach Sunset. Eaton Beach is gonna be Pink Fresh Studio. Just a little lovely puffy alphabet stickers, and then Sunset is going to be American Crafts Main Squeeze stickers, and then once I do my title, that completes my layout. Alright, I'm going to put Sunset down, and that's going to complete my layout. So I'm going to go ahead and let you finish watching, and when I have more, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.